In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your forward lower control arm on your Ford Focus. It's located behind your rear wheel. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. I'm going to support my suspension over by the spring just because I don't like things to move, and it's a just in case. I'm using a 15mm socket, and I'm going to remove this bolt and also the one in the back. As I untwist it to get it out of there. Alright, I'm going to go in a couple of threads and then we're going to take out the other end. Now I'm using a 15mm swivel socket and an extension to take out this back bolt. Remove your bolt, and now you can remove your other one. Both bolts are the same. It's always good to make a note of that. And now we're going to get a pry bar and remove our forward lower arm. To install, you're going to put the back in first. Feed your bolt through and get it started on those threads in the back. I'm just going to ratchet it in a little bit, make sure it's really in there. I'm going to use a punch and try to line it up. Once I get my punch in there, I'm going to put my pry bar in just to keep it there if needed. Shim it in there somewhere. Give it a little tap. Try to get it to thread into that nut in the back. Alright, once you've started threading it into the back nut, you should be good to go to tighten it down. That feels pretty good. And I'm just going to check my back one. Once you get both bolts started, you're going to snug them up. torque this to 85 foot-pounds. And do the same on the top. All right, now that you've torqued that, you can remove your pull jack, put your wheel back on, and take it for a road test. Put your wheel back on. Start your lug nuts by hand. Start at the bottom, walk your wheel on. And you're going to tighten them in a star-like pattern. And now you can torque them. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 100 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.